This just arrived. The Danger Den single 5¼ bay reservoir. There's the logo for Danger Den. Looks nice. Small little box there. There's a little picture. I went ahead and I cut it. So opening it with one hand will be a lot easier for me this time. So let's check out the contents. I've got bubble wrap. Okay, let's check this out. I think that's the full port. Bubble wrap. Oh, barbs. We got 2 barbs, and I don't know if they're cheap or not. They don't seem. No, they're not plastic. They're metal. That's nice. Thank you, Danger Den. I'm gonna take this out now. Seems to be stuck. There we go. There's the reservoir. And we got some mounting screws, I believe. I got some of my own with some rails. Okay, so we're gonna unwrap this.